I want to talk about China, in particular as a way into it, the recent Didi listing, which of course you guys were leading the offering of. How surprised were you personally by China's crackdown just days after the IPO on Didi?
Well, the bilateral relationship between the U.S. and China is quite complicated at the moment. I do think,
to say the least,
I do think that there is a significant backlog of Chinese companies that are turning to global capital to raise money to support their growth. And we have in our own backlog, a large number of companies that have been planning to come to the U.S. market. Because of the actions the Chinese government has taken, I think some of those companies will not come to market at this point in time. What the longer term effects of that are in terms of listing venues and how that all balances, I think it's early to tell. I was surprised that this played out the way it did, at this moment in time. But we're engaged with regulators around the world. We'll watch, we're engaged with clients, and we'll see where this goes. But I think it's early to see exactly how the shift will balance over time. But there's no question the Chinese want more control of the direction of some of this listing activity. And so they're putting or taking steps that will give them more control and more of a say in that process for Chinese companies.
Does it torpedo Chinese IPOs listing in the US for the next 12 months? Is no one going to buy that at a decent valuation for a while?
I'm not so sure that that's the case. I think what you have to think about here, there actually wasn't in the process of a Chinese company listing in the US, there wasn't a regulator in China that officially had to sign off on it up until this moment. The Chinese have now put in a process where they have a regulatory agency that has an ability to sign off on listings. That will create a gating item. If the Chinese regulator signs off on no listings, there will be no listings. If the Chinese regulator will sign off in an affirmative way, I think there'll be good investor demand for growing companies on a global basis from global investors. And so we're seeing a shift in listing policies coming out of China, and we're going to have to watch that to understand exactly how that will work going forward.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.